Whoever did this, they did that. Like, it's so good. Hey J Souls, welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm about to be doing at least trying the TikTok's little viral jalapeno Takis with cream cheese. I actually did want to try this. I was like, I'm gonna do it. And I was like, you know what? Why not do it for a video? Because it's what's hot and trending right now. But before I get into this video, you guys, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, let me know anything you guys want me to do next. Share this video so everyone can see it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and slap that notification bell so you can be notified the next time that I make another lit video. You guys, let's get right into this. So what you will need is some jalapeno peppers. I cleaned the inside of them out. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't want none of those seeds. There's probably a couple in there, but yeah, I don't want that. I don't really like hot stuff like that. I got Takis, and then I have like some off-brand Takis, and the cream cheese. Does anyone ever have the Philadelphia salmon spread? Where are they selling those? That is a really good spread. I can't find it anymore, anywhere. So, just open this in case the heat might not be on my side. I hope you guys had a good day today. Oh my gosh. All right, how I'm supposed to... I literally watched one video and was like, yep, I'm trying it. So basically, I'm just pushing it in, filling it up. See, just pushing it in to fill it all the way up. So I'm gonna come back when I fill all of these up and when I put all the Takis in, and just basically put the Taki in like this. 1, 2, 3. So I'll be back when I do all of them like this. Look at that Taki stuff, y'all. I'll be back. That's gonna have like split open up here. All right, y'all. So I finally finished all of them. I finally did all of them. Oh shit. So now it's time to taste test it. I'm gonna go with the first one that I did. I'm gonna go with this one. Bruh. Y'all, this is good. For real. It's like a mild, two things that technically you would expect to like burn your mouth. But that cream cheese though brings like this calm and twist. When you get the pepper, jalapeno pepper start tasting like a green pepper. The Takis start tasting like a regular chip. You start getting the taste of the inside of it. And then you just got the cream cheese. Alright. I'm about the one he had. They did that. Whoever did this, they did that. Like, it's so good. Y'all, I can already see myself getting this as like your normal average everyday snack. And it was really good. I'm highly impressed with TikTok. I might be doing some more random stuff from TikTok because this is good. You know you want some. Yeah. I told you it was good. Yeah. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. That what I'm talking about. Yeah. Eat it up. But you never realize how much you chew until you're on camera. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely try this. It's just basically Takis, jalapeno peppers, and cream cheese. And when I tell you, take the seeds out of the jalapeno pepper, of course. When you do it, it tastes so good. Like, you're really gonna like it. You're gonna be expecting like this big burst of flavor, but it's like really the highest soothing calm ever. So I hope you guys did like this video. Don't forget to like this video. Comment down below. Let me know anything you guys want me to do next. Share this video so everyone can see it. You guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Slap that notification bell so you can be notified the next time that I make another lit video. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye. So good. seriously.